National Geographic Science, A Snowy Place by Susan Hocko. Energy. An energy is something that can change things or do work. Water cycle. Water cycle is how water moves between the sky and ground. Temperature. Temperature is a measure of how hot or cold something is. Cloud. A cloud is a group of tiny drops of water that form in the sky. Pattern. A pattern is something that repeats over and over again. Weather tool. A weather tool is something scientists use to measure the changing weather. Weather in Alaska. Alaska is a snowy place. Sometimes when it snows, the sky looks gray. Clouds fill the sky. Snow falls from clouds. A white blanket of snow covers the ground. But it doesn't always snow in Alaska. Sometimes it's raining. Sometimes it's sunny. The sun's energy changes the weather. It can make the air feel warm. It can make ice and snow melt too. People, animals, and plants need the sun energy. People and animals need the sun energy to live. Most plants need the sun's light to grow and make food. The water cycle. The sun is part of water cycle. The sun's energy melts the snow into the water. The water evaporates and becomes a gas called water vapor. The water vapor condenses and from the cloud. Snow falls from the cloud. The cycle starts over again. The changing weather. The weather in Alaska can change from day to day. It can change during the day too. The weather might be sunny one minute and might start snowing the next. Day-night seasons. The weather changes as day turns into night too. The sun's energy warms Earth during the day. At night, the sky gets dark and the air feels cooler. Day and night are a pattern. Repeat over and over. The seasons follow a pattern too. They come in the same order every year. Alaska has 4 seasons. They are spring, summer, fall, and winter. The weather in Alaska changes from season to season. Winter is cold in Alaska. Snow falls. Some winter days have only a few hours of light. Winter turns into spring. The temperature rises. The snow and ice begin to melt. Spring turns into summer. Some parts of Alaska are warm in summer. Some parts are cool. It stays light until very late at night. Summer turns into fall. The air gets cold again and colors change. Winter is about to begin. Measure the weather. Scientists studied weather in Alaska. They use water tools to measure the weather. They also use weather tools to track how the weather might change. Sometimes the sun shines and the air feels warm. At other times, snow falls and cold wind blows. The weather in Alaska is always